So it's full time you're at Airbus. It's Airbus 1, Aberystwyth 2, you and manager Anthony Williams. Tough, undefeated so far in pre-season. This management malarkey's quite easy, isn't it?
I knew I was going to come out. That's Thomas Crockett tell you that. Yeah, it's one of them things. We've rode our luck again today probably. It's a brand new team. We've got a lot of bodies in there. We've got players playing out of position with key injuries to key players. We've still got 2 or 3 bodies to bring in. But if we can win games and we still got all that to come, then the future looks promising. I think you've seen today. There's a good team spirit, a massive team spirit amongst them, and we've got that quality off the bench come on and obviously win us the game as well.
It'd be a fair assessment to say that we were under the cosh a bit for the first 25 minutes, and that water break seems to have livened us up a bit. What do you say to them in that break then?
We're just managing their shape a bit better. Cheers, thanks. Just manage their shape a bit better. I think because they had both their wing backs bombed on more, it was just a case of who deals with them and where we deal with it. And once we got to grips that, we pinned them back and they were back 5, which meant we could get out through the sides or diamond or through our full backs getting out. But it was, again, when you've got a long throw like that, you give a corner or a throw-in away in the final third, you know it's coming in the box. You've got to deal with them things. But they all stood up today. Disappointed at the goal we conceded. I thought from what we dealt with, it was a sloppy one to concede on. But like you say, we've got goals in there. We haven't got massive goal scorers, but they're all going to chip in as you've seen, and hopefully be long that continue.
You spoke there about the team spirit. You could see that with the celebration for the winning goal. How important is that as you've got a new squad to deal with?
Yeah, it's massive. I think the nucleus of the squad was there from last season, who's got that team spirit anyway, and what they brought in and what I've brought into the squad. They're keen, they're hungry, they want to prove themselves at this level. I'm not going for the run-of-the-mill players been in this league for years and years, because I don't think that's the way to go. I want to develop players and I want to develop a team that hopefully we can win games and stay on the up.
And finally, it's a familiar face again next week. We've got Cardiff Met in front of the Scoria cameras. How are you looking forward to that?
Brilliant. We got them in the cup as well, so yeah. So no, we played in pre-season as well, so I'm familiar with them. I know what they're going to play. I know who's playing. I know all the ins and outs of them. So it'd be interesting to see how we go. And like I say, pre-season games mean nothing. I know we beat them there, but it means absolutely nothing. I said that to the boys before the game. It counts for nothing if we don't do it tonight. So looking forward to the game. Greatest on Scoria, and I think people will be pleasantly surprised at some of the players we've got and the quality we've got in the team.
Tough. Many congratulations. Thanks for your time.
Thank you. Cheers.